Well, I've taken every positive that you threw in the mix, and people tell me how you're just too broken to fix. And my attitude was toxic, and my vision was unclear, and a vibe had overtaken me whenever you came near. Well, you were my kind of broken, you were my kind of down. There's hundreds like you, I know it's so, but I still brought you round. And you may frown on what I did, and you may laugh at how I sound, but in the peak of my desires, there was nothing in this world was gonna tear me down. And I'd heard of your antics when I first heard your name. I was told to stay away, I've only got myself to blame. You're a damsel in distress, and I'm the deluded knight. I've come to soothe your pain, a pain that doesn't want soothing, but only needs to be inflamed. But you were my kind of ruined, you were my kind of mean. I saw the world through your eyes, and I'd lived all of your dreams. I'd wandered out to foreign pastures that grew more red than green, and I'd witnessed enough pain to understand just where your mind had been. There were moments of clarity that weren't clarity at all. There were songs in my head that I threw right up the wall. The bubble I was living in was just a bubble too small, and fate had made his choice, and he chose the curtain call. But you were my kind of shattered, you were my kind of weak. I liked watching your progression, I liked to listen when you'd speak. Your intrigue pricked my senses, and my body opened wide, and about as willing as a lamb is to the slaughter, I led you inside. Regret is not an emotion that I deal with well. I seem to huddle up inside, I seem to crawl back in my shell. And on the shores where you shot me, on the sand where I lay still, I'm just another lonely left one, and wait right there I will, until she comes. She's my kind of perfect, she's got my kind of smile. She can walk away so slowly, and she's walked 10,000 miles. She can ride the wave of wonder, she can dazzle in the snow. She can criticize my bitterness and help my kindness grow. She is generous and willing, and she will never let go. And she can talk for me when I've no words, and run when I turn slow. To meet her is a blessing, we won't seem worthy in her glow. But when the going gets tough, she takes my hand and guides me down the road.